Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 8th, 2019, and what I want to show you is how to collect seeds from your nasturtiums. So this is my nasturtium plant here, and you can see some seeds here are just starting to form on it. These are a little bit more advanced, and I was looking in the soil here, and I seen where two of the seeds have dropped here. So I'm just going to pick these up here. There you go. I'm going to try and get the dirt off of them here. So that's what nasturtium seeds look like. Now, you will find some of them. Let me try this one over here. Hold on a moment. Where they will be far enough advanced that when you just put your hand, on them, they'll be far enough advanced that they're just falling off. And you can see here's some more, nasturtium seeds, and this one here just fell right off in my hand. And you'll find them on the ground. This one here is right on the railing of the vegetable planter. And there's some more seeds down here. Now, these will, as they're drying, they'll turn a tan color. You got to watch out that they don't start molding on you. So what you want to do with these is you want to lay them out on like a piece of newspaper in a well-ventilated area so they have a chance to finish drying. And when I store these, I will store these in an envelope and I'll label it. Now, I will not put these in the refrigerator. I will keep these in a cool, dark location in a box in our basement. And you do want to keep them away from humidity. Now, from my understanding, when your nasturtium seeds, if they would freeze or get too cold, it would actually kill the seed. So just store them in a cool, dark location, like in your basement or a closet. And I do keep them in boxes. Now, I have had already where some of them did come back over the winter, and I am gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. So the only thing I can think of that happened is the seeds must have been buried down deep enough that when we went through with the tiller, it buried them down, that it kept them warm enough that they didn't die out. So when we re-tilled it in the spring, it brought them back up to the top. That's the only thing that I can think of with that. So I hope you enjoyed my video on how to collect nasturtium seeds. Now, I did do a video for how to grow nasturtiums, so you can check that out on my channel. Now, one thing I do want to add, this plant here, actually, the seed did survive the winter. And when we put our soil in this bin here, it was already in the soil and it came up on its own. I actually didn't plant this one, but I'm really happy that it came up on its own. You can see how far it went, and it just trailed, because I had ran out of nasturtium seeds and I didn't have any to plant. So I'm really happy that this one did survive the winter and came up on its own. And you can just see that this one here just trailed the whole way down through here. And I'm hoping to get a lot of seeds off of it so that I can continue to have my nasturtiums. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.